Alright, so we woke up at some exit, one down that freeway, and now we're at exit Two Guns, Arizona. And I wanted to see these ruins down here. And then this abandoned gas station also, I've seen a couple times on YouTube. But yeah, so this is where we're just temporarily parked. It's hot out here, holy crap. Been ingesting a lot of water. Okay, so here's the abandoned gas station. Here's what it looks like around us. Thinking of sending the drone up. Show you guys a sky view. And down there again, looks like there's a pathway to it. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure that's where some massacre happened. Where allegedly U.S. cavalry surrounded a bunch of Indians hiding down in that hole. And a cave in that hole, as the story goes. And I guess threw rocks and started a fire to smoke them out and burn them out. And as they came out, you know, they would just stone them and shoot them. Apparently men, women, and child. That's the story. We're gonna go check it out. All right, talk then. Okay, so we're back. This is called the Apache Death Caves. I verified it earlier. This is part 2 of Two Guns, Arizona exit stop. So we're walking towards the Apache Death Caves now. There she is. I'll show you what's around us. That's where we left the RV and truck. There's the abandoned gas stations. All right, continuing on. Temperature today's kind of nice. Clouds are out. I can feel the humidity. It's definitely more humid here than LA. All right. So we are almost there. I'll catch up with you guys when we're there. Okay, building 1. It's got some graffiti on it. Bet it didn't look like that back then. There's flies on here. Okay. So what's around me? Looks like a little depression here. I don't really know what I'm looking at, but I'm sure some of you viewers might know. There's the RV and truck back there. I don't know, but it almost looks like there's like black marks on these rocks or something. A lot of stuff has fallen into that pit. Another pit down there. Okay. There's another angle of that that hole. Oh, this is stable. There's that angle. Okay. To the first one. Oh, actually, let's check out this ledge here. So you can see I'm walking parallel to this. Also keeping an eye out for rattlesnakes. Here we are at the edge. Apparently, as the story goes, when explorers rediscovered this years after the massacre, a lot of the bodies, unfortunately, and they were like described as, skeletons at that point. Hopefully they removed them and provided a proper burial. So, I don't know how you get onto that little island here, but there's a structure right there. I'm not sure if we've actually looked at the mouth of the cave yet. Or maybe those were the caves, I don't know. But it looks like I'm on some kind of an overhang. There's a weird spiral on that rock down there, see it? Look at that spiral. Try and figure out how to get down there. Let's check out this building first while we're here. And there's the RV back there. I'm trying to debate if I should send the drone here or send it from the truck. Okay. Hello. Alright, seems to be empty. Wow, look at this. This looks like either settlers, right? Or Indians, I can't tell. I unfortunately am not knowledgeable in this area. Okay. I'm gonna guess that this is settlers, not Indians. That's my guess. These framed windows here is why I'm thinking that. And just the style of the roof here. I don't know, I could be wrong, but it seems to me the Indians didn't do this. Okay. Continuing on. Down here. Let's see what's going on over there. Okay. I think this may be the cave. I don't know. There's more structures over there and there's cars parked over there, see it? So maybe it's over there, I don't know. We'll see. Okay. But that sure looks ominous, doesn't it? It's like collapsed in, filled in. And that wooden structure there. Okay. Alright, continuing on. I may send the drone from here to see what's over there, but I don't want to bother the people with it either. So this looks to be an ancient ruin of some sort. I don't know. Doesn't look so ancient anymore. Never mind. Okay. Could be old. Alright. Let's see what's going on. Beyond this barrier here. I'm sure they got a good reason why there's a fence here. But we'll just be careful. Yeah. This does not look stable. Here's another angle of that island. Looking down. Okay, now we're going to check out what's on the other side of this structure, or what remains of it. Oh, so it looks like you can drive over that bridge. Check out that area. Oh yeah, that's right, I'm attached. Guess I'll be sending the drone there. Okay. Some kind of a center island here as well. See this? Wow. It looks built up with iron. I wonder what all this was about. See the iron? Okay, so this is Route 66 going parallel to 93, and we're at exit 357. Oh wait, one right before that one, so 357 is right up there. And this is the big ridge that we stopped here to take a look at. And I was thinking I should fly a drone, but it's so hot out here that maybe I'll just wait till it gets a little cooler. Because going this way, we're about half hour out from Gallup, or the New Mexico border. And I think the first town we're going to hit is Gallup, New Mexico. And this way is the way we came from. As you see, we're just stopped here at the side of the road. Taking a little break. And some abandoned yurts, looks like, to check out. I hope it's abandoned, because it looks like people live over here. Down there. So there we are. Oh, it's fenced off. Not going beyond these barriers. Not a good idea. All right. Catch up with you later. Here we are, pulled over for a rest. About 30 minutes outside of Gallup, New Mexico, and the New Mexico state line. We're technically in Arizona still. This is the old Route 66 going parallel to Interstate 93. The interstate that killed it all. But here's the original road. call the Mother Road. That's what we've been on all day. All yesterday. Well, most of yesterday. What? She's gonna make a salad? Okay. That sounds good, actually.